everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. It's pretty nice here in BC. Hope everybody's staying safe and well. And if you'd be so kind as to like all the videos that you enjoy, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell because I upload videos quite often and you definitely want to be notified when I do. Because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Disney Loungefly mini backpack, brand new, so you definitely want to make sure you subscribe so you're entered into my giveaway. Alright, so I have an unboxing today. Came in a little box like this, and the joke is, for today, Senior Style doesn't normally order anything in a small box, so we'll see what I got. Alright, so I got my blade. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got today. And I did have some interest in my Pandora and my heart pendant, what fits, that type of thing. So I think I'll put a video together with that. It makes it kind of hard with Pandora charms because they're kind of hard to see, you know, but I'll do my best. All right, we're in. So okay, got some of that. All right, it looks like a phone. All right, only one phone. We're expecting 2 phones. So they gave us a SIM card, which is pretty cool. Thanks for choosing Telus. All right, that's pretty cool. And let's see what phone we got. I think this is Ted's phone. It's black. I have a gold Pro Max coming, and he has the black iPhone 13 Pro coming, so I think this is his. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it may look like. All right, let's see. Oop. All right. Yeah, this is his phone. All right, this is pretty nice. Pretty shiny. He got the black 13 Pro. And we switched to Telus because we got a better deal from Rogers. And let's see what they give you. Okay, so they give you only a cable. They don't give you the charger part. So I thought it was like the opposite, but that's what's in the box. So we'll have to get it ported over with his number, and we'll do that later on. But that's my unboxing for today, and hopefully mine will come, so that will be cool. Alright, so I'll let him have fun with his new phone. So he's going to be so excited because he thought that it was my phone. But he got his phone, so that's even better. Alright, and I'm still rocking my Dooney Small World satchel. It's a very cool bag. I am still looking for the matching wallet, but no luck. So it's a pretty cool bag. I like the satchel Dooney because you get a lot of really cool characters, and this bag has great placement. There's not a lot of the characters that are cut off, which is good. And this is a great everyday bag. I highly recommend it. And that's the back. All right, so thanks for tuning in today for my unboxing of Ted's iPhone Pro 13. And his is 128 with the black case. Just if you're interested in looking it up or getting one, they're pretty cool. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great weekend, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye now.